Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your speaker JBL Boombox 4. You have to start by open JBL Portable application. Now, your speaker should be turned on and connected with your phone. After that, the application opens for you speaker menu. But if you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. And right here we have equalizer line. So right here we have 4 presets what JBL offer for us, and the fifth one is a custom one. So just select the best one for you. Let's say I prefer chill, just tap on it, and now we use this preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.